Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to order from Jumia for the first time. So first thing you have to do is go to your Play Store or Apple Store, install the Jumia app. Once you install the app, open it up, create an account. Creation of account is not hard, it's very simple. You just click on where it says accounts right here. You can see I have an account already, so I cannot create another one again. So you just input your phone number, your name, your address, and your email, and you're good to go. Your account will be is going to be created. So once you create your account, what do you need to know about Jumia? Jumia is just an app where you get things online, and it's going to be sent to you, delivered to you, maybe your doorstep or a pickup station, either of them. So what do? You first of all have to source for goods you want to buy. So let's say for example, I want to get a pouch for my phone. So this is the phone I actually use, right? This particular one, and this is a pouch. Let's say I want to buy this pouch. What do you first of all check out for? I'll first of all go down to see if this particular product have a good review, or as you can see, there's no review yet. They has no review, so I'm going to try out and check for other products and see if they actually have a review. Why do you actually look out for a review? You actually look out for a review to know if what those people that have tried to buy from them bought was actually what they got. But if it was not what they got, you can just leave it and try to check another one. And another thing you have to check is you have to check the details of the product. You can see product details right here. You can see how thick the pouch is, how the material is. You can search on how the material is on your phone to know if it's something you want or not. After you must have checked the details of what you are trying to buy, you can now add to cart. You can add to your cart, and if you want more than one pieces, you click on plus, it's going to add. Or you choose four and you want to reduce, you click on minus. Simple. So once you do that, you are going to click on your cart right here. Look at your cart right here. You click on your cart. Once you click on your cart, you're going to see all the items you picked. You can either remove some items you actually picked, and you can also add more if you want. So I'm going to remove all these ones and remove. So next thing you have to check is this checkout. You click on your checkout, and what do you do in your checkout right here? You're going to first of all see the amount that was given to you, the total amount of what you're buying, and the delivery fee. You can see my delivery fee right here. You can see the total amount. So you scroll up. The next thing you have to do is your payment method. You can actually click on change, because the reason why you are saying change is because I've actually imputed a payment method before. So you have to click on change. Once you click on change, you're going to actually pick the payment method you want to use. You can see buy now, pay later. You can buy now and you're going to pay later. That is payment on delivery. You can do that. And you can also use pay with bank card or pay stick or OPay or PalmPay. Anyone, you choose the method. So I'm going to choose this payment of bank cards. So you once you do that, you're going to click on confirm payment method. So once you are done with that, the next thing you have to do is delivery address. It's very important for you to add your delivery address so that they won't make any mistake. So you input your delivery address, or maybe you want to edit something, you edit it. Once you edit your delivery address, another thing to look out for is pickup station. This pickup station is very, very important so that you will know the particular pickup station that is available in the state where you are, or in the local government where you are. You can see all the delivery station available in my state, which is Enugu State. So anyone that you feel is closer to where you stay, you can just up pick pick the pickup station. Yes. So once you have selected the one you want to go to, you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you scroll down and you can still check all the items you actually picked and see if there's anyone you want to remove or add, as I said before. then you click on confirm delivery details. So now what it actually means is that you have confirmed delivery details. So the next thing you have to do is you have to confirm payment method. So it's going to confirm it, and you try to confirm again, and they're going to load up uh the checkout for you, right? You can see that Jumia actually do two-time verification. They ask you to check your payment method, your and also confirm your delivery details because of mistakes, so that you don't make any mistake. So this part is where you actually, if you're going to pay with card, you're going to select with card, or if you're going to do a bank transfer, you click on bank transfer. So you're going to see pay now. So if I choose on cards, I'll click on pay now, and they're going to process it. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, about 2 minutes to actually refresh. So I have to refresh this page. And since I already click on pay cards, they're going to actually debit me for my card. You can see they're going to debit me, and once they debit me, they're going to tell you the date when you're going to actually receive the item you pay for. But unfortunately, I don't want to buy anything, so I'm going to actually cancel this payment. So they're going to tell you the date when your delivery is going to be available. So let me go back and let's try to find the date. Okay, you can see the pickup delivery is going to be about 20th of August to 21st of August. So let me see what today's date is. Today's date is 12, so it's going to take about a week, approximately a week, to actually get to my pickup station. So this is literally how to order to place an order on Jumia. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.